IWM bouncing back, Qs are bouncing back. They came above the VWAP, SPY bouncing back. So it seems that the market is bouncing back a little bit. So I guess I just think that this is it, and you know, they gotta live the life without Federal Reserve support.
Pumping money.
Yeah, exactly. All right, good morning, everybody. Market is bouncing back today. So Fed's message yesterday was very clear that rate talks are going to happen because they want the state of economy back to be, with low inflation. They have no worry about maximum employment. Markets didn't like J Powell, so sold off. Qs kind of held last night, so they were really close flat, but IWM and SPY dropped down. So this morning, Asia dropped 2%, but I was expecting market drops too. But really, we gapped up, and a little bit of a sell-off in the morning, a little bit of a rip in the morning, and then later sell-off. And now we're getting a little bit of a bounce right now here. So I actually started my day late, so apology. But I did have a really nice trade on Tesla. So that's not Tesla. That's so yeah, so I had a really nice short on Tesla for the break of low of the day. So I saw that the low of the day in that time was 870, 880. So it was started going down. I tried to go short at around 860, and this is a really nice risk to reward ratio for trade. So you go short here, you put your stop loss up around this area, and then the first R was S4, and then below that, and then below that. So that was a really nice short that I got. And then I added back a little bit here for the break of 860. You know, I kind of knew that 860 is a little bit of a stretch to get that. The next level was at 851, but I kind of knew it's a little bit of a stretch because we already had a really big squeeze around here. So I added a little bit, popped up, and I got stopped out at the break even. And I tried again one more time at 865, and again it took a couple of minutes, really no volume came in. See the very low volume, and I covered everything, and it bounced back. It was actually really good, essentially double bottom or triple bottom reversal on Tesla. Tesla had earning yesterday, and the earning popped up, and then it really sold off. So yeah, that was it. And then AMD, I came on AMD. AMD was a really interesting trade because I saw that it's holding S4 level on a 1 minute chart, and I tried to take it long, and someone in the chat mentioned that there is a huge bid at 107. My average was at 107.30, 40. And we saw that, and there was a huge 200,000, more than 200,000 share bid here. And usually a very big bid is very bearish sign, especially when it's very huge. This one was really huge. So I got out of my position here I wanted to get out here by mistake, added and popped up. So I got out with a very small loss, and suddenly a huge drop, and that was that huge volume that we saw. We actually saw that going through time and sells. So if you use a replay, you can actually see that. Oh, thanks, Cliff. Yeah, Cliff posted that on the chat. Yeah, exactly. So thanks for that. So yeah, that was pretty much it. And then sold off, came back up, and I decided to take the trade one more time at 107.16, and then the 107, and then it's just popping up back to 108, and I'm just selling a little bit more here. So that was a really good trade that I did. And that's it for me. I'm gonna end my day very nicely with very nice profit on both Tesla and AMD. And yeah, I don't think there's really any issue on my side. So what did you trade? I know Jared and Brian, you traded at the open. How was your trade?
Yeah, no, I traded, my best trade today was the Lucid short. It was just started to break down at the open. As soon as we got into the open here, it kind of lost low of day or yesterday's levels, and then I shorted it at just over 33, and I covered it around all the way down to around 32. I didn't get back into it, which I should have. Yeah, but anyway, it was a good trade. Other than that, a few trades on Oxy, and yeah, overall it was a pretty good day, I would say.
Yeah, so, it turned out to be a really nice day. So now we're getting a bounce here. IWM bouncing back, Qs are bouncing back. They came above the VWAP, SPY bouncing back. So it seems that the market is bouncing back a little bit. So I guess I just think that this is it, and they gotta live the life without Federal Reserve support.
Pumping money.
Yeah,
Yeah.
exactly. So yeah, we have the mentorship session, guys. We're
Okay.
gonna go to the mentorship session. Ed is coming for his session as well, and see you guys in the mentorship sessions. Ed has his mentorship sessions. It's gonna be really fun, Ed's session, because it's gonna be Apple earning as well. So he might actually take a couple of really nice good trade live in his session as well. So don't forget and for that, and yeah, talk to you soon, guys.